National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Trimbillo County in west central Wisconsin, northeastern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Mondovi to near Arcadia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Strong around 5:20 p.m., Whitehall around 5:30 p.m., Osseo and Blair around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Oliva, Pigeon Forge, Chimney Rock, Mondovi Airfield, and Highway 53 and County East. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building, and away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trimbillo.
You're listening to No All Hazards radio station WXJH6 in La Crosse.